In this video, you'll learn how to create a complete order workflow in WooCommerce, step by step, using the free plugin SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce. By default, WooCommerce uses a simple order flow, with statuses like processing and completed. This works for basic stores, but many businesses need a more structured workflow. For example, if you sell custom products or handle manual processes, you may need multiple steps between payment and completion. Let's build a simple workflow. Go to WooCommerce, then Order Statuses. Here, you can create custom statuses that represent each step of your process. For example, you might create statuses like, in preparation, quality check, and, ready for pickup. First, enter the name of your new order status. For example, in preparation. Choose a name that clearly represents a real step in your fulfillment process. Next, configure the visual appearance. You can assign a background color and select an icon. These visual elements help you quickly identify orders in the admin order list. You can allow orders in this status to remain editable, which is useful for internal processing stages. Once created, you can define the order flow by setting the next status for each step. This determines the main action available when managing orders. Now, instead of jumping directly from processing to completed, your orders move through a structured workflow. Processing, then in preparation, then quality check, then shipped or ready for pickup, and finally completed. This makes your workflow much clearer and easier to manage. You can also combine this with notifications and automation to streamline the process even further. For example, you can automatically notify customers when their order enters a specific stage. Creating a clear order workflow helps you stay organized, reduces mistakes, and improves communication with your customers. That's how you can create a complete order workflow in WooCommerce using custom order statuses.